Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Clipchamp text-to-speech feature. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up your Clipchamp application. So once you have opened up your Clipchamp application, you can either edit your previous video or create a new video, or just create a new video just for demo purpose. So let me choose a video to work on. So probably I'll just choose something from here. All right. Okay. So all right, I'll just choose this video here. Okay, so I'll just use that. And then so what I'm going to do now here is that I'm going to create a voiceover to my video, this video here, using the text to speech feature in Clipchamp. So let's get into it. So once I selected the video, so what I'm going to do is like I'm going to add this to my timeline so that I can work on it. Okay, so now I'm going to go to this on your left here. You have the record and create option. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to choose the text to speech or feature here at bottom. So just choose that. So here, when you get to this section here you can choose the language for your voiceover. So whatever language you want, from all this list, so you can choose what language you want. So just for demo, I'll just leave it as English US for this video, so I'll use that. And then you can also choose your voice here, so what type of voice you want. So there are different type of, so if you want a masculine voice or feminine voice, or there's different types. You can choose whatever that suits for your voiceover. And then you also have your voice style here. So you go, how do you want it to be to be displayed? So you want the voice to be in which sort of mood you want. So angry, cheerful, sad, all this. So there's heaps of styles here, so you can just choose from. All right, so once you're done with that, and also you can choose your speed, like how your voiceover, like how what's the speed of your voiceover. You want it a bit slower, faster, or regular. So you can choose all those things. And also lastly, you can choose the voice pitch, like how do you want it to be high, medium, low. So based on your requirements, you can set up all these settings here. So you can all these features here. So once you have set up all those, what you can do here, this is where you type your text. So you just type whatever you want the voiceover to be, the voiceover to speak. So just type in whatever you want to speak. So for example, I'll just type this: hi, welcome to my video. Okay, so that's my text. Yes, I want this as a voiceover. So what I'm going to do, so yeah, once you have finished typing and finished with the setting, you can click on the preview button to hear how to check like how this sounds like. If you are satisfied with it, then you can click on save to media. All right, so once you click on save to media, it will appear here. So that's your voiceover that you just created, your recording. So what we're going to do now is you can always add this to our timeline here, so that we can add this to our video. So I'll just click and drag, or just drop it here. All right, so that's my voiceover here. So now what you can do here, and also I would recommend you to do, so if you so just a point to note, I will recommend you to do these recordings in section, because so that you can place your recording to your timeline individually, and it will help you to match your recording to the correct point in the video slot, like here. So it will be easier if you do it individually. Okay, and also it avoids for you to to make you to re-record everything. So that's the thing. So you can now place this wherever you want. So that's a recording, so place it wherever you want on your video. And once you're done with that, so what you have to do now, and you're satisfied with the recording and everything, so just hit on export. Okay, once you hit on export here, choose the video quality that you want to, and then just click on it. And then this should now generate the video with the voiceover. It's just going to take some time. So once this has been completed, your video will be saved automatically to your computer. So that's pretty much it is. So hope this video is helpful to you guys. I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.